Medford police officers say they sometimes see eyewitnesses to crimes be partially or entirely wrong when providing information.
We don't like to base our case on just that. We usually need more information before we proceed with an arrest.
Lieutenant Mike Budreau says the department is cautious when they present a suspect to a witness. In 2012, the Oregon Supreme Court announced a new procedure for police to follow. Budreau says the department saw a trend already and were using the new photo lineup procedure before the state announced it.
We tell the witness that they're under no obligation to make an identification, and it's just as important to identify guilty parties as it is to free people from suspicion in the case.
Because in the end, we don't want to see anyone get convicted that's not guilty of the crime. So they do an excellent job of working on making sure the procedures are followed by their officers.
Jackson County District Attorney Beth Heckert says Medford police officers do an excellent job making sure investigation procedures are followed.
Making sure that there's no suggestibility, that's even unwillingly the officer isn't somehow giving some kind of clues or some kind of indication as to who's the right person to pick out.
Budreau says the department's photo lineup model for eyewitnesses was used as a model for other agencies. He also says although an eyewitness identification is important, it should not be the main piece of evidence in a case.
We really do need to have more, but it typically gets us pointed in the right direction.
Covering your news, Aaron Nilsson, News 10.